All right, today I'm going to show you how to use Mr. Clean right here. This is Mr. Clean. It happens to be the Meadows and Rain scent with Febreze freshness in it, but I'm going to show you how to use Mr. Clean, and I'm going to use it to clean this stove top. This is an induction stove top that I'm going to be cleaning. I'm going to go over with this. It says right here, 2 times concentrated. So in order to clean this, you see this is a pretty tough job that I have right here. Normally it says right here, it says mix 1/8 cup per 1 gallon or half bucket of water. Usually no need to rinse. That's what they say, usually. But if you look a little bit further down, it says for tough jobs, pour directly on soil or sponge, wipe and rinse. And that's what I'm going to do right there. I'm going to wipe and rinse it. Now, there are more instructions on here. It's important that you go over these before you actually use Mr. Clean and look at the warnings and understand them before you use Mr. Clean. But we're just going to go right here for video purposes, go over the tough job part of this. And I'm going to clean this induction stovetop right here with this. Now, it says you can pour directly on to the tough soil. So right here I have the Mr. Clean, long-lasting freshness, right here, Meadows and Rain. I have a cloth, and I'm gonna get this cloth wet a little bit. So I'm gonna get the cloth wet just so I have a little bit of solution to go along with this. Now it says I can put on the sponge or cloth, but I'm gonna pour it directly on the surface right here just to show you that I can do it. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on there. And once I have that, I'm going to go ahead and close the top. And then I'm going to go ahead and take the rag. Now I'm going to keep it open right here, large surface area. And when I'm on here, I do a little bit of wax on, wax off option right here. You see that? Wax on, wax off. And, whoa, that means there's something wet on that part right there. All I have to do is dry that off. I do a wax on, wax off motion. You see this right here? Now this method right here enables me to get the most dirt and crud off of this. See, wax on, wax off. And changing up the direction hits the dirt, grime, and grit on the stovetop at different angles, allowing for it to be mopped up pretty well. Now, if things are stuck on here, and it does happen, you have a sticky situation that you can't get yourself out of, you may have to do this over again. Now, I just suggest using a little bit of elbow grease and do the wax on, wax off option that I'm showing you. Let me show you again. Wax on. See that? Wax off. Wax on. Wax off. And you can see how much of the crud is actually coming off of the stovetop with the wax on, wax off option that I'm doing right here. You see that? And then once you've done that, you got a lot of the crud up. Now I'm saying that sometimes you may have to apply a little bit more water, or in this case, flip the sponge or cloth over. And this allows a clean surface on the cloth to have a go at the dirty grime from the stove top. And I'm just going to do on this side, wax on, wax off. See that? And so it's waxed on, wax off. Now it is clean. Now you can see this right here. Now, because I poured it directly on the stove, I may need to do a rinse action. So I'm going to rinse out the cloth. Just rinse off the Mr. Clean that is on here. Get some fresh water on the cloth. Get the dirt and grime off the cloth. And I'm going to go right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and do this again. I can do the wax on, wax off. There's no grime on here, but it's allowing to get the solution of the Mr. Clean solution off of the surface and on to the actual rag. You see what I'm doing right here? I'm going to take this, wax on, wax off. Wax on, wax off. Now there's another method you could do. Some people do the wax up, wax down, and you just simply fold the cloth like this. Wax up, wax down, like that. You see that? It's a method I developed as a student at Clean University. And look at that. You have a nice stovetop right here that has been cleaned by me, or rather, Mr. Clean. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.